Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In this video, I will show you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. First, you need to open Google Chrome. As you can see, the language in my Chrome profile has been set to Chinese. You may or may not understand the language, but if you want to set back the language to English, please follow the instruction. First, you have to go to this icon, click on this, and select the third option from the bottom side. Click on this. And here you can see all the files or the options. Here you need to look for this icon, the global icon. Click on this. This is the language option. Now go to this option. Click on this. Here you can find all the language you want to add. From this menu you have to search for the English one. Now select that. Click on this blue icon. Okay. Now the language has been added to the list from the bottom side, and click on this option. Now you have to click on this, which will relaunch the app. Here if you go to the new page, you can see everything is in English as usual. As you can see, the language has been set back to the English. This is how you can change the language back to English. Hope this video was informative for you. Thanks for watching.